In this video, I'm going to show you how to print in PlanSwift. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab up top, and then you want to click on the Print button just below it. From here, select if you want to print image only, print visible items, or print current view. So it's completely up to you. I'm just going to click on Print image only, and if you have these two selected, you'll be able to select the different things over here as well. You can select all or unselect them as well. And then if you do print current view, then this is basically locked, and you can't actually do that. Now, select whatever you want to print here. And then if you want to set up your printer, so for example, if you want to change it to a different printer, you can just click on Setup Printer over here, and then you can select a different one. For example, for me, I have this HP DeskJet here, and I could go into properties of that printer, change different things. Depending on which printer you have, it's going to look a bit different. And then here you have the option to set your paper sizes, your orientation. Either, of course, you could use portrait or landscape. Whenever you're ready, just click on OK. And then from here, you can just click on the print button here, and it's basically going to print for you. Now, for me, I have saved to PDF selected over here, so it's saved as a PDF, but of course you could print it if you actually have your printed connected to your computer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.